What's up, y'all? I'm going to make a 6-foot dumbbell rack that's got 3 rows. Bottom row I'm going to use for like the medicine ball kettlebells. And then I'm going to also make, on the top shelf, I'm going to make a little spot for these big guys because they are very large. Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna make this thing 36 inches high. So I'm gonna cut 4 legs. Am I going to cut 4 legs? I think I'm gonna cut 4 legs at 36 inches, but I want it to be at an angle. I just don't know what angle yet. I'll figure it out. Okay, listen to this. 36-inch back legs, cut at 22.5 degrees, and then 33-inch front legs, because I'm going to separate it 12 inches. Is that the right math? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to cut some 2x2s, 13 inches at the 22.5 angle to give more support when I, you know, do the thing. Look at her. So I'm going to put one here, or right here, here. Both sides. So I need 4 of them, 13 inches. got 1x3 boards. I need 1x4. Look at this. I should just leave it like that. Then I can get my hand in here. Dude, duh. But then we need this. Alright. Okay, I think this will work. This one is cut at 45 degrees and this is cut at 22 and a half. Check this out. Right here. Boom, boy. Not too shabby. Totally forgot about the big motor track weights. Shit. Okay, game plan. I'm gonna cut 22 inches on a 12-inch board, and then I'm gonna make a bigger board, and these are gonna kind of sit like that. It's going to be great. Let's go. Found some screws. Wait, nuts and bolts. They just don't fit, so I'm gonna pre-drill them. Oh, okay. That should do it. One down. Okay, this actually might work. So these are sticking out, right? And that's gross and bad, but it like barely fits in the hole. So, let me see. Dude, I got it. Hold on. I didn't let it dry all the way before I started putting this back, and I broke it, kind of. Look at this. I put a hole in it twice, but I think we should be good.